Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you guys been doing great. Alright, if you guys have been following my channel, right, last year I actually purchased the Nintendo Switch OLED version. Right, but I find something quite annoying to me because I feel that the joycon that they provided me is very small, guys. It's like very small because I have difficulty clicking on it. So after doing some research, right, I decided, alright, to purchase the Nintendo Switch, the Hori Split Pad Pro, right? So this is it, guys. Alright, I feel that this really helps me to improve my gaming experience. Alright, if you guys are interested in how to improve your gaming experience with the Nintendo Switch OLED, okay, highly suggest you to continue to watch through this video because I'm going to show you, right, how it feels like, how to set it up, alright, and how is the unboxing experience like as well. Alright, please stay tuned to the end of this video. Okay, so I'll dive right into the next portion, which is the unboxing experience. So basically, the Nintendo Switch Hori Split Pad Pro is a very direct, it doesn't have any complex boxing or packaging. So this is just it, right? So I'll just pause it here, alright, and let you guys have a look. Right, so this is the logo, right, and some of the Japanese word, right, and then yeah, that's it, guys. Right, so this is it. Right, so I'm just going to go straight into the unboxing. Right, so basically I already done the unboxing previously. So yeah, so I just wanted to share with you guys how it looks like, right, when you first got it. Right, so basically it's just this. The packaging is like that. Right, and then you just get the two controllers, right, and then the manual, right. But I don't think I'll be reading it because it's quite straightforward setting it up, right. So let me get this out of the way. Okay, guys. So this is the Hori Split Pad Pro, right, that I shared with you guys just now, right. So this is the controller itself, right. It's pretty solid, but it's all made of plastic. Right, so I hope you guys can have a look at this. Right, so basically maybe I just do a sound test on the the buttons before I install it into the console itself, right, the Switch OLED console. So let you guys hear it. So here will be the same. Okay, so basically if you guys notice, right, the button is definitely much more bigger than the original Joy-Con. God, my goodness sake, man, this is like too small for me, guys. I have like difficulties. Maybe I should just do a side-by-side comparison. It's like very small, guys. You can compare the size of it, right? So it's like almost 3 times the size of the Joy-Con, right? So yeah, so that's the reason why I actually don't really like using the original one, right? Though it looks nice, but I mean, it doesn't improve my gaming experience. So that's why I decided to actually decided to get the Nintendo Switch Hori Split Pad Pro, right? So for the next step, I'm going to set it up, right, and show you guys how it looks like on the Nintendo Switch console, right? Okay, guys, so the next step, right, is to actually slide it in. It's very simple, guys. You just have to actually take the top portion, right? This is always the top portion. You just slide in. It's exactly the same as the Joy-Con, right? So you just have a satisfying click, right, and then the same thing you do for the other side, right? Alright, so basically this is how it looks like. Okay, it's very big. I mean, something for you to take note, is very big, right, in terms of the size. So definitely I don't think you are able to mount it on the original dock, right? So you need to have I believe you need to have a third party this dock, all right, which is I got it from the Skull & Co, right? It's working perfectly fine. All right, so basically yeah, so this is how it looks like with the so for the Nintendo Switch OLED with the Hori Switch Pad Pro. Overall guys, really, I think it really improved my gaming experience. The joystick is fantastic. The tactile of that button, you guys see, you can hear, right? It's very nice, and it has another 2 more additional buttons for you to customize. Let's say, for example, you are playing some FPS game, like, all right. So it gives you a very good this flexibility, right? And then the buttons are really nice. The joystick, I love it, right? So the D-pad is not the best, but I can't complain for this price. I actually got it for like $50 Sing dollars, which is, I find, very I would say value for money. All right, but one thing to take note, guys, right, for the Hori Switch Pad Pro. Okay, if you are intending to get any like this this casing for your I would say this console, please take note that this doesn't fit. The Hori Switch Pad Pro doesn't fit in the casing, guys. So you have to remove it. So that's why I decided to purchase the D brand skin. Fantastic skin, by the way, guys, even though I didn't paste it properly myself, but it's still fantastic, right? So basically yeah, so just to take note, guys, you can't have any form of this casing. Screen protector is fine, don't worry. Screen protector, you can still paste on it, but just take note of the casing. I tried it, I can't actually slide my Hori Switch Pad Pro into the console with the casing on, right? So this is something for you guys to take note. All right, and then also another thing is you can't mount it on the original dock as well, right? So just okay, guys, so I hope all this video actually helped you guys, all right, in a way or another, to actually improve your gaming experience when you are using your Nintendo Switch OLED version. I really think that those with bigger hands, I don't even think my hand is big, right? So I think mine is like medium-sized Asian hands, right? But if you guys are looking into something to actually increase or improve your gaming experience with the Nintendo Switch OLED, I highly recommend the Nintendo Switch Hori Switch Pad Pro, because this really helped me to actually press the button even more easier, right, when I'm gaming. Alright, so I hope this video actually helped you guys, to make this improvement in your gaming experience in the Nintendo Switch OLED version, right? So if you like this video, please remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video, share this video with your friends. If you think that they are on the verge of they always share with you that, hey, I think the Joy-Con is too small, or etc. So this is something that they can check it out. Alright, so I hope you guys stay safe. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye.